Colin Firth is the only Mr. Darcy.
Hi guys, welcome to
Curaturas,
We have come here as a millennial and Gen Z perspective.
where we discuss about books, movies, and everything in between. So, we are discussing Pride and Prejudice, book versus movie. So, Samiksha, what do you think removing the narrator from the movie changes it?
Yes, for book it is more like the auntie gossiping and commenting sarcastically on society, marriage, young girls, शादी कब होगी. But in movie it feels very pale. मतलब उसमें से जो enjoyment जो एक judgmentalness है ना वो ही निकाल दिया. It looks very हाँ ठीक है
Bad.
plain thing. Okay, so next question to you is who explains the Darcy better, the book or the movie?
For me, the book, because in the book, actually, we see what he's thinking. We actually get to, experience his emotion. But in the movie, it's actually we can only see it through Elizabeth's expressions. And he's like really awkward in the movie, or he's actually making stupid hand notions.
Okay, so मतलब if I ask you कि which Darcy is better, the book wala or the movie wala, then
Actually, for me, the book Darcy is better. But if I have to pick one movie Darcy, so I would say Colin Firth is the only Mr. Darcy. Who feels more independent, book Lizzie or movie Lizzie?
book lazy obviously. I mean उसके there its visions, thoughts, opinions दिखते हैं. In movie, trust me, all I see is her walking around and she is mesmerized with Darcy since scene 1. Book may I think she takes time, but with movie it feels that she is mesmerized since scene 1. Okay, so is the book funnier than the movie?
I don't think so. I think the book was more judgmental, sarcastic, has these amazing one-liners, which I think the movie severely lacks. It has made it more of a yearning romance between them, and I think it lost us. Like those punchy one-liners that we love in the book. The movie had lost it. So, which was your first favorite scene in the movie? And you cannot talk about the.
This is so illegal. This is wrong. Tell her in the comments this is wrong. I mean the Pride and Prejudice scene is the hand scene, but okay. If we have to pick one, then I would say the rain scene. I mean you are angry but you are in
The
love.
whole Lizzie monologue.
Yes, you are angry, but you are also so much in love with that person, and on that you are wet. Pun not intended. So you understand, like it is the most beautiful scene. Okay, so Lizzie's friend, Charlotte Lucas, do you think she was justified in the book or the movie?
I think in the book now there was like too much of justification as to why she made the decision, money plus security, her growing age. But in the book, in the movie, there's like this one scene where Elizabeth confronts her and she just says this one epic line, and then she just walks off, and then it's like cut to the scene comes that she's very happy in her married life. So I think they robbed her character a lot.
So true.
Did the movie do Jane and Bingley justice, or do you prefer the book version?
I definitely prefer the book version. I mean, we actually got to see some romance between them, some heated moments between them. Movie mein, it was like the movie was not meant for them. They both came together. The Pride and the Prejudice came together for Jane and Bingley, but they actually didn't get a chance to talk about Jane and Bingley only. So what feels faster or which pace is better, the book or movie?
Okay, so I would say the movie was a little better in pacing because it cuts to emotional silences. Yeah, because the book has so many letters and ball dances and parties, and there are like silences and times where the guy goes out of the picture only. So, so actually the movie has cut all that, and have kept it like very proper. But I did not say that movie is better. Like khali pacing when the movie is better. Do letters matter more in the book or in the movie?
So for as a turning point, the letter are definitely important in books, but in movie specifically, the part where she reads it, but the voice over is Darcy's, that felt very authentic and beautiful. So I think for this small part, I liked it a little better in movies. Portrays Lady Catherine better, book or movie?
I did not like Lady Catherine at all because She's so cruel, okay? Even in the book, even in the movie, but I think Lady Catherine would win because there are some instances where she's like really, really bad to Elizabeth, and I did not like her. So this ends our amazing discussion about Pride and Prejudice, and do let us know what book versus movie should we make a video about next. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.